Customer states, my Raptor started making a noise in the front end after going up my driveway. Well, I'd venture to say that his driveway must be pretty radical. Look at all right there. That's a solid crack going through it. And then there's the end of his fucking axle shaft. If your driveway did that, you need more than a Raptor. Boy, you better fix that fucking driveway, because warranty ain't gonna keep covering that shit. Great God, son! Going up that driveway! Jesus. No way.
So it just locked up that hard.
That's more than a full send. Oh my God.